Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you something really amazing that can save thousands of rupees, that is GitHub Education. This is a special program by GitHub that gives student free access to developer tools and services that normally cost a lot of money. Whether you're studying computer science or IT or any technical field, this is something you absolutely need to know about it. Okay. GitHub Education is not just free software. I mean, it is not a free service they are providing. It's a building. It's about your building skills and portfolio while you are still in a college with over 5 million students already applied, and they are using it worldwide. It has become the go-to resource for students who will want to learn the coding, build projects, and even start their own startups without spending money on expensive tools. The best part is it is completely free for eligible students, and I am going to show you how to apply for it step by step. Let's see the benefits of this benefits of GitHub Education. Now let me tell you about GitHub Education and its benefits. Okay, this is really exciting part. The GitHub Education pack, that is student developer pack, gives you access to over 100 different developer tools and services with combined value of $20,000. That is more than 1.5 crore rupees worth of softwares and services for absolutely free. Like, some of most valuable benefits include GitHub Pro for unlimited repositories, agentic AI, Microsoft Azure credits worth $100. That means around 8,000 rupees, and free domain names from Namecheap, and access to premium development environments like JetBrains, IDEs, and beyond just development tools, you also get cloud hosting services like DigitalOcean. That is very really cool, and Heroku, that is very good hosting service, and database access through MongoDB Atlas, and learning platforms like DataCamp and Frontend Masters. This means you can build and test and deploy complete applications without spending any money at all. Imagine creating a full stack web application using JetBrains IDEs, hosting it into DigitalOcean, registering a free domain name. Yeah, this is the eligibility requirements. Uh, to qualify, you must be enrolled in a degree or diploma program at a good educational institution. This includes traditional universities and colleges, but also extend to high schools or vocational schools and even recognized homeschooling programs. And the key requirement is you're actually pursuing some form of formal education that will result in the credential upon completion. Additionally, you must have a personal GitHub account, and at least you should be at least 13 years old. The good news is GitHub Education is available globally regardless of your country or institution. There are no geographical restrictions, and students from all countries are encouraged to apply. No credit card or payment information is required, making it accessible for millions of students regardless of their financial situation. And let's see the required documents for it. When applying for the GitHub Education, you will need to provide some documents that verify student status. The most commonly accepted document is student ID, that clearly shows your name, photo, and current enrollment information. If your ID card has an expiry date, make sure it's still valid and shows that you're currently enrolled in some program. Other acceptable documents include your class schedule, academic transcript, or an official enrollment verification letter from your school administration. That is also acceptable, but is not recommended. The quality of your documents matters because GitHub Education reviewers need to see the clear, readable information without any blurriness or glare. Make sure that your documents show that your full name and name of your educational institution and evidence of your current enrollment. And documents that are outdated, incomplete, or difficult to read are likely to be rejected, delaying your access to benefits. If you are submitting digital documents, ensure that they are highly um, highly visible and highly resolutional scans of photographs rather than lower quality images. Let's see the proper ID card upload for the verification. When uploading your ID card for GitHub Education, that expiry date absolutely critical for approval. GitHub needs to verify that you are currently enrolled, not just that you are once a student. If your ID card doesn't have an expiry date on the front, and you check your back side. Many institutions place this information there to save space on the front. If the expiry date is on the back, you will need to show the both sides of your ID card. The best approach is to take clear photos of both front and back of your ID card, then merge it into a single image file. Ensure good lighting by adjusting the angle. Okay, make sure all the text is legible and your photo is clearly visible. The merged image should uh, show the both sides of your ID card with labels indicating which is front and which is back. Let's see the correct format for the ID card. I mean, how to show your ID card. Yeah, let's look this example. You see all the essential information is clearly visible. The student full name, recent photograph, and institutional name on the logo. This ID card has the elements that GitHub Education reviewers look for when processing application. The front and back of ID card is clearly visible, and the card design is clean and professional with all text being readable without any blurriness or distortion that might occur in poor quality photographs. Yeah, next let's see the application process. The application process for GitHub Education is straightforward but requires additional detail. Like first navigate to a GitHub set accounts page by clicking on profile picture. I'll show the demo. Let's skip this slide. Once your GitHub educational application is approved, you'll receive an email notification with instructions on how to access the benefits. The approval process typically takes 3 days. It will contain a link that your GitHub educational portal, which is your gateway to all the available benefits and tools. In your educational portal, GitHub Education portal, you will find personalized dashboards with all the benefits available to you. Some benefits that GitHub Pro is giving to you are activated automatically and will be applied to your account immediately. Others, such as cloud services or third-party app tools, will require you to follow additional steps to activate them. Each benefit in your portal will have clear instructions on how to claim it, along with any instructions or limitations that might apply. Be sure to read these instructions carefully, as some benefits have specific redemption processes or time limits. You should redeem them in time. Yeah, let's see the troubleshooting tips. One of the most common mistakes students face during the application process is document rejection due to poor quality or missing information. To avoid this, always submit high resolution clear images of your documents. Make sure your name, photo, and institution name are clearly visible and that any expiry dates are legible. Like, don't keep any expired dates or don't fake it. If you are using a student ID card, ensure it shows current enrollment status. Documents that are blurry, have glare, or cut off important information are likely to be rejected. Delaying, like, it will delay your access benefits. If your application is rejected, don't be discouraged. Carefully review the reason provided in the rejection mail or rejection instructions, which is provided there itself. Common reasons include expired documents, insufficient proofs, and unclear images. You can resubmit them how many times you want. They'll accept it, but they'll reject in if your details are not valid. Remember that the GitHub Education wants to approve legitimate students. They'll provide specific guidance on what you need to fix. They'll provide everything, and you should be able to fix them. Let's see the demo of how to apply. Okay. Yeah, let's start from first. After creating a GitHub account, go to the settings tab. In the billing and licensing drop down, go to the educational benefits. See how many times it was denied. The reasons are pretty simple. We should secure your GitHub account with two-factor authentication. Just click on it. You should be adding these all sign-in methods, and you should add this two-factor authentication also. And for starting application, as your student, you can keep student in the radio button and give your school name like we like see prestige. I'll say some X school, and let's say this is my school email ID. I should ask it may not be school email ID, but giving school email ID will benefit you because it will accept fastly. Giving you a personal email ID will not affect anything. And also, if you are near to your campus location, there is a high chance of getting accepted because it will take the location of your campus, and you'll be getting a good chance of getting accepted. I'm selecting the dated ID card, that is school ID card, which is given by the campus. See, these are all fair and poor types of verification documents. So don't prefer this one. I'll prefer this. And you should take a photograph of your joint image, and you should keep in front of your camera. Okay, and click continue. That's all. You'll be good to go. Yeah, I'm not doing it. You can do it. No problem. Yeah, after getting it, you'll be yeah. I'll show you that also because sign out from all devices. Sign in. Yeah, this is my original account. I'll show you how my original account looks like after accepting. Settings, billing and licensing, educational benefits. Yeah, see, your academic status has been verified. It is saying congratulations. And yeah, I got this. Yes, I got this approval after 72 hours. uh, we'll be getting this approval container after 3 minutes or maybe, but approval mail will be getting, yeah, we'll get after 3 days. Okay, you'll be getting all the benefits here, and the $4 coupon will be applied, as you can see. Okay, yeah, this is the video how you can apply for GitHub Education. So guys, that was the complete process. Please use these tools. These are very costly otherwise, so take the advantage of it. If you like this video, and please subscribe to my uh, YouTube channel. We are building a great community here. If you have any error or doubt, just comment below. I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.